Ever saved a guest day with a pack of Band-Aids? You could. I'll walk you through stocking a low-cost, great supplies drawer that creates high-impact moments guests remember. Before we get into the episode, make sure you subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss future episodes. We're all about practical vacation rental tips with the personal twist. You had one job. Your guest's kid scraped a knee. Your guest left a phone charger at home. The bathroom sink leaks at 11 p.m. And guess what? They don't care that it's not your fault. But if you rescue the day with a thoughtfully stocked, just-in-case drawer, you're suddenly a hero, a wizard, and a wish every host did this kind of legend. This episode is your cheat sheet to becoming that host without breaking the bank. Let's build your guest supplies drawer like your reputation depends on it. Because it kind of does. First aid basics guests actually use. Accidents happen. That drawer is your guest's lifeline. Stock these. Band-Aids, multiple sizes. Antiseptic wipes. Tweezers, yes, for splinters or rogue eyebrow hairs. Burn cream. Pain relievers, clearly labeled. Allergy tablets. Benadryl saves vacations. Pro tip: toss in a couple of kids' plasters with cartoon prints. Parents will mentally thank you for life. Essentials. Some things people always forget. If they find them in your drawer, you're golden. Include disposable razors, travel-sized toothpaste and toothbrushes, feminine hygiene products, mini deodorant sticks, cotton swabs and pads, hair ties and bobby pins. Don't go luxury, go practical. Think of mid-tier hotel amenity with a splash of "I've got you." Emergency tech and power fixes. Because nothing kills a vacation vibe like a dead phone at 2%. Include universal phone chargers, USB-C, lighting, and micro USB. A power bank. Cheap bottles work in a pinch. Extra AA and AAA batteries. A flashlight with batteries installed. A small extension cord with multiple plugs. Your guests may never use these, but if they do, you save their Instagram update and their mood. Minor tools that fix big headaches. Stuff breaks. Batteries die. Labels fall off. You can't always fix it fast, but your guests might. Stock duct tape, a small roll. Super glue, make sure it's sealed. A driver with interchangeable heads. Scissors. Zip ties. Sticky notes and a pen. They're not going to rebuild a shed, but they might fix that toilet roll holder, or label their leftovers, or silence a rattling vent. Comfort and cleanup savers. Your guests spill wine. Their kid spills everything. They have a cold. You can't be there, but your drawer can. Add stain remover wipes, tissues, lint roller, disposable gloves, a couple of face masks, a small sewing kit because buttons still pop. These are quiet heroes, underused but overappreciated. Make it accessible, but not ugly. Don't just dump this into a junk drawer. Use it as a labeled bin or a clear organizer in a visible spot. A simple card on the inside of the cabinet door works wonders. Did you forget something? Check the just-in-case drawer near the sink. Better yet, feature it in your welcome message. Do you need something small but important? Just open the just-in-case drawer. We've thought of everything. Well, almost everything. If your rental plan is just wing it, this is your wake-up call. Download the 7-day vacation rental jumpstart. Vision, money, guests, sorted. Get your copy now. You can find a link in the show notes. What's the one item you've never stocked that a guest once asked for? Let me know in the comments. Here are your 5 takeaways. Stock first aid basics for minor mishaps. Include forgotten toiletries. Add extra charging cords and power essentials. Toss in a mini toolkit for fixes. Organize it all neatly and tell guests it exists. A well-stocked just-in-case drawer is like vacation rental insurance. Cheap, comforty, and unforgettable when it counts. You're not just saving the day, you're creating stories, like the one where your guest toddler had a meltdown until they found a cute plaster and a sticker in the drawer. You included stickers, right? Bonus points. For more ways to turn small details into glowing reviews, explore the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. It's packed with these kind of time-saving, praise-earning tricks. Subscribe so you don't miss the next tip. Because, let's be honest, your guests already expect you to be a mind reader. Let's just make you a prepared one.